Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to mount Cattleya and how to split, how to take care of your Cattleya orchid. Look at the plants. So this way you can split your Cattleya. You cut away from your main branch. You take the 3 bulb, 2 bulb or 3 is the standard size. You cut all the dead roots. This is one plant already. When your plants are too many bulbs together, then it won't grow very well, so you need to split your Cattleya or any orchids, Oncidium, Dendrobium. So this way you can grow your orchid. So I'm going to show you another one. So now where you will cut, you check the main branch, check. Yeah. So I took another 3 stem together and I cut all the dead roots. I cut all the dead roots. This Cattleya you can grow with the charcoal. You can grow with a stone. Cut all the dead roots. So one plant I split into the 4. You saw the way I planted with the wood. This way the new root will come on top. You can see the root. It's a very young roots. I just planted only to show you, so you can grow your orchid this way. Look at the roots and the way I planted. So now I'm going to show you how to mount, how to hang your Cattleya. Actually this way Cattleya grow very easy. You don't have to use too much media, stone, charcoal. This is the easy way. So let's see. You take the one wood, any kind of wood, and you tie with any kind of wire. Then you get the sphagnum moss. This is the moss. So the moss should be wet. The moss you put on top of the wood, then you check. Don't plant this way. Don't do that. This way, no, this is the wrong. Yes, now this is the right way to plant, because all the young baby will come from the side, the behind of the stem, not in front of the stem. The most of the people, the mistake this way to grow orchid. And you tie. Sorry, I couldn't get the full video, but you just can see the way I'm tying my plants. So just tie. So young stem, young bulb will in front of you, behind of the plants. So it's done. It's already one done. So you can hang somewhere else and make sure that you need to water every day. And look at that, the way I plant. The roots will keep coming and coming also. If you plant, after you planted, if your roots come, it means it will grow very well. So you can apply your orchid this way. I will show you another way, another planting. This way you get the wood, get moss, put on top the wood, then get the 3 or 4 bulbs together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So look at the young bulbs. This is all the young bulbs will come from behind, not in front of the plants. Look at that. Look at that again, please. Okay, you can see this way, but some people are planted this way. No, this is the wrong way, please. This is the perfect way, and you just tie the plants only, and you just water every day. If rainy day, you don't have to water. Just avoid the direct sunlight after you planted. Or whenever you need to flower, whenever you want to see the flower, you give them some sunlight, morning sunlight, not direct sunlight. Direct sunlight will, your orchid will be burned. So please don't blame me. You can see another baby is coming, another stem, another bulb is coming. You can see, right? This another one. So all the baby will come from the behind. So this is a follow this way, please. I have been growing orchid many years, so my VGU and my tutorial will help you. And if you think that my video can help you to grow your orchid well, then please subscribe my channel for more tutorial, more orchid flower. On top you can tie or you can skip also. After few days, all the roots will stuck with the wood, so the plants are on drop. You can see the way I planted. The young stem is on top. This way easy to grow. So thank you so much for clicking my videos. See you again.